300k pairs on these, but hey, still not enough. What's up YouTube, it's Hismanyaka here, and today we're gonna have a detailed look on probably the most popular shoe, the Nike Kobe 6 Pro in the reverse GRINCH colorway. Let's go.
One eternity later.
These are so fire, guys. So yeah, if you're a Kobe fan or just a hooper, this is a must cop. So now's the time to cop these, while the resale is not yet too high, because this might be a $1,000 shoe, when it's all said and done, just like the Kobe original GRINCH. So since this is the Kobe Pro with enhanced performance, they've upgraded the midsole, which is now with the cushion, and there's a unit as well on the forefoot. There's your typical upper for the Kobe 6, which is there's a micro mesh, the polyurethane scales, which is yeah, you can see on the upper. And yeah, it comes with the green laces, by the way, guys. And I was just a bit disappointed because Nike didn't give us the set of extra laces just like they did in the OG GRINCH. If you're looking for to lace swap this, just if you get the original GRINCH or just any other color red laces, just swap it off from here. So yeah, overall this is the best Christmas shoe to release this December. And what do you guys think of this? Is this a must cop? And how do they compare with the original GRINCH? This already the most popular hoop shoe in the NBA or any other leagues all over the world. You can see players wearing the original GRINCH or the reverse already. There's a lot of pairs out there, guys. So yeah. So what do you guys think? You like this better or the reverses? Me, I still go with my the original GRINCH, because this is something that Kobe wears when he was still playing. And yeah, RIP to Kobe. This is really one of the most iconic hoop shoe, and yeah, this is really a thing of beauty, guys. But can't go wrong with the reverse GRINCH colorway. The Kobe 6 are one of the most popular shoes, and yeah, I'm not gonna lie, performance wise, this is overall great when it comes to performance. Traction is good, cushioning is good, the materials are good, and whether you're a guard or center or forward, hey, look at the NBA. Every position, they're hoping in these Kobe 6. With regards to the fit, this is quite narrow. I suggest you go half a size up, and it needs a breaking time as well, you know. So this fits snugs, so yeah, it needs breaking time now. But overall, this is a solid shoe. If you want to wear it casually, then why not? But yeah, I'm just gonna use this for hooping. So yeah. So there you go, guys. So let me know what you guys think on the Kobe 6 Protro reverse GRINCH. Is it a must cup? With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace.